Everybody, I'm Justin Caldwell with Caldwell Equipment. I wanted to tell you about this Snowdog EX75ii snowplow with the installed wing kit. So this plow, believe it or not, is actually a used plow. Customer bought this plow with a different moldboard on it a little over a year ago, and he used it very minimally. But he sent the plow out with an inexperienced driver, and when the inexperienced driver actually ground down his cutting edge so far on a rough surface that he got into the moldboard itself. So we had to replace the entire moldboard on this when he traded it in. So what we have here is a quick mount 2 generation 2 lift frame with about 60 days left of factory warranty on it. It's been fully refurbished and serviced by our service department. It's got new headlights on it, and then we have the brand new EX75ii moldboard. It's a full-blown commercial model. What's cool about the wing kit is this is actually a very expensive add-on item, but it allows you to go from 7'6" wide down to 8'6" wide in just a matter of seconds, because you just pull the pin and you're able to rotate the wing kit back into storage position and pin it here, and you can actually then drive with it and use your blade in 7'6" mode, and then when it's time to go wide again, you just pull these back out and pin it in place. So this plow is practically a brand new plow, and it's got with the wing kit already installed. This, if new, would sell for $49.99 on a cash deal. It would sell for $51.99 financed on like a 3.99 for 54-month finance plan or on a credit or debit card. This plow, because it's used on the lift frame half, this plow is going to sell for $42.95 cash. Add $200 if you plan to pay with the debit or credit card, or use one of our finance plans with a real low payment. But this is a really great deal. Basically, the last guy's loss is your gain on this, and it's going to be a really good buy, and it's going to sell through fast. So contact us at 636-586-9607. You can call us or text us on that number. And you can also find us on CaldwellEquipment.com. Thanks a lot.